लेकिन सर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होता है अभी? व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? नाउ आई नीड अ लेडी वॉलंटियर. तो लक्ष्य तो भाई हमारा लड़का वॉलंटियर है वहां पे. नाउ आई नीड अ लेडी वॉलंटियर. Who wants to become the lady volunteer right now? Come on, I want lady volunteer right now. Let's go. Give me a quick me, lady volunteers. Let me see who gives me the answer first. Okay. Okay, any lady volunteers? Let's go. Okay, I got it. The first person, Shanvi. Okay, Shanvi जी ने बता दिया कि सर इसमें मेरे को नहीं लिया तो मैं तो जा रही हूँ. Okay, Shanvi is the lady volunteer with us. ठीक है, तो Shanvi is lady volunteer बिल्कुल. I'll try to utilize you as many times as possible. सबको मैं volunteer लेने की कोशिश करूंगा मेरे upcoming sessions में भी. चिंता मत करो, ठीक है, मैं हूँ यहाँ पे. चलो भाई, अब हमारे दोबारा कौन है ये हमारे हैं स्माइल से पहचानो, हमारे स्माइल से पहचानो, ये हमारे बाल से पहचानो, लक्ष्य भाई. हाँ, लक्ष्य भाई एंड शानवी, आई एम रियली सॉरी, डोंट हेट मी आफ्टर द एग्जांपल. दिस लक्ष्य भाई स्टिल एट इंफिनिटी, ऑलवेज एट इंफिनिटी, स्टिल एट इंफिनिटी, ऑलवेज एट इंफिनिटी. ठीक है. चार्ज Q has to bring the charge from infinity to point A, infinity to point A. ठीक है. तो यहां पे हमने क्या बोला था? When Laksh brings the charge from infinity to point A, let's suppose that the work done by Laksh in this scenario is WA. Let's suppose the work done by Laksh to bring the charge from infinity to A is WA. Work done is WA. Charge is Q. So what is the electric potential at point A? At point A, electric potential क्या होगा? VA is equal to WA upon Q, है ना? इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल फॉर्मूला है वर्क डन बाय चार्ज. पॉइंट A के लिए निकाल रहे हैं तो WA by Q. इजी, ठीक है. लेकिन बात यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुई. अब आती है हमारी अपनी कौन? शानवी जी, है ना? हमारी सपनों की मलिका शानवी जी आती है हमारे सिनेरियो में. Just like every other girl in men's life, just like every other girl in the boy's life, Shanvi kicks this, क्या करती है? Kicks this charge back to infinity, destroys all the dreams of Laksh. दिल तोड़ दिया उसने. शानवी जी अच्छा नहीं किया आपने लक्ष्य के साथ, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं. So Shanvi kicked the charge back to infinity. But Lakshya is like, nahi, I'll bring it back. I'll bring the back charge from infinity back to point A. But Lakshya has already walked from infinity to point A. He has to go back to infinity, then bring it to. So it's really tough for him, bro. It's really tough from him. So obviously, Lakshya is trying to bring the charge again from, infinity, trying to bring it to point A, but he's so damn tired that he stops at point B itself. Okay, so Shanvi and Lakshya, just kidding. Do not take it seriously. Just kidding. Take it, just kidding. People, हंस लो जितना हंसना है. उन दोनों का मजाक मत उड़ाना. ठीक है. Thank you so much, people. So yes, so electric potential and potential difference is a story of heartbreak. Yes. Okay. So what did we say? Lakshya walked back to infinity, being very dedicated. Took up the charge, brought it back to point B because वो थक चुका था जिंदगी से, है ना लक्ष्य? तो brought it back to point B. So people, okay, calm down now. Okay, tell me now very clearly, the work done by Lakshya here, is it same to WA? क्या work done WA और यहाँ का work done same है? क्योंकि भाई distance तो same ही लग रहा है मेरे को. A बहुत दूर है अभी भी और B तक ही पहुंच पाया. तो is it same or not? Is it same or not? The answer is you guys are still laughing. Okay, so is it same or is it not? It is not same, right? It is different. Yes, thank you so much. It is absolutely different. Thank you so much, people. Yes. So obviously, because Laksh could not reach to point A, he just walked to point B. So he walked less. So hence his work done is less. So I will take this as WB. Work done is different. So if I need to find out the potential at VB, at point B, क्या लिखूंगा मैं? VB is equal to WB by Q. because I'm trying to find out the electric potential at point B. So it is WB by Q, work done at D by Q. ठीक है, तो बच्चों मैं चाहता हूं कि लक्ष्य को समझ में आए कि B से A पहुंचने में, है ना, मतलब मैं चाहता हूं कि लक्ष्य को ये बात समझ में आए, क्लियर हो जाए कि अगर उसे वापस शानवी तक पहुंचना है तो उसे और कितनी पोटेंशियल चाहिए होगी. How will you tell me that? If I want you to tell Laksh, उसको बताओ कि if he wants to get back to Shanvi, to where Shanvi is standing, how will you find out how much more potential does he need? How will you find that out? How will you find it out? Stop laughing. People, stop laughing. You will find. How will you find it out? You will think of. Exactly. Ajay told me it's a difference निकालो sir. Yes, exactly. So what do? Simple. अगर यहाँ पे 10 मीटर का डिस्टेंस है and he reached only till 6 meters, how many more meters he has to travel? 10 meter minus 6, 4 meters. है ना? That's what you do. You subtract. Similarly, my amazing and dear students, to find out the potential which he requires to reach till A, how will you do it? You will subtract VA from VB. Subtract, no? You will subtract one potential to another potential to find out what? To find out potential difference. That's all is potential.